Hi guys, I hope you all well. This is Ranjit from Beauty for All Beauty and a Setting Training Academy. Today's video about eyelash lift. Select the shield size for client. Apply a bonding gel. Gently lift the brow. Place the shield along the upper lashes line and hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Okay. Apply a thin layer of bonding gel to small section of the shield. Carefully couple of lashes back onto the shield and straighten before move on to the next section. Repeat the last two steps until all upper lashes are bonded to shield. Okay. Check that no low lashes are stuck to the upper lashes. Okay. Repeat on the next eye. Apply the thin layer of bonding gel. Yeah. Make sure the bonding gel is fully dry. Apply lifting balm for the root to halfway on the lashes. Use a clean mini brush. Leave the product on the requirement time. 10 minutes for dry and fine, 12 minutes for average or healthy lashes, and 14 minutes for thick and coarse lashes. Okay. Remember, apply lifting balm from the root to halfway up the lashes. Repeat on the next eye. Once the time is up, remove the product. Okay. Use a clean mini brush. Make sure that all the lifting balm is removed. Apply Volumising fix from root to halfway up the lashes. Leave a 7 minutes. Once the time is up, remove the product. Use clean mini brush. Mix the tint and developer together. Apply tint to upper lashes. Take care not to apply too much tint as this could get into the eyes. Leave the tint to develop for requirement period of time. I would say 10 to 15 minutes. My client, she got really thin eyebrow, so I decided to apply eyebrow tint as well. I use a dark brown color. While the eyelashes tint develop. Now, remove the tint from upper lashes. I already removed the shield. So, apply a moisturizer serum on the mini brush. Avoid water around the eye for 24 hours. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.